Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to activate your Filmora9 with your activation code, delivered from Wondershare when you purchase the license. Here I am in Filmora9 free trial version. The first way is to go to Help menu on the toolbar. Select Activate Filmora9. At this pop-up window, you can log into your Wondershare's account with the ID you created when purchasing the license. Or click here to activate the license without logging in with Wondershare's account. Now you can register your email address, and paste the license code you received in this new pop-up window. Click Activate to finish. This button right here is useful when you want to retrieve your license you've purchased. Alternatively, you can also just export your project. You will be notified about your free trial version in a pop-up menu. Here you can select an option such as creating a new Wondershare account, or click here to activate your license similar to what I've just showed you. Once your license is activated, you can check your activation at the top right corner of the editing interface. Or go to Help menu, and select Activate Filmora9 again to see your activation status. That's how you can activate your Filmora9 license with the code. If you have any question, feel free to let me know at the comment section below. If you want to purchase Filmora9 with a special discount coupon code, check out the links I put in the description. Thanks very much for watching and I will see you in my next videos. Bye for now.